This section here allows us to manage the colors and thicknesses of the squiggles that we're going to be adding. The top row is the current default. So we have thickness of 4 and the color is black. So I'm going to add a line and it will be color black, thickness 4. We can change the thickness to 10, press enter, have a thicker one, and we can change the color to pink, and I'm going to, so we now have 10 pink. Now if we really liked that color, we can click here, add, and you see it adds it to our default. If we click one of these buttons, so here we have this kind of whatever color that is, and thickness free. If I click here, then that is now our default. If I click this rather horrible limey green thing, that is now our default. If we decide we don't like it, which I have decided, we can swipe left here, and when that cross goes red, that means it's going to be deleted when I release. So I release, and the line one's gone. So back to pink, and back to purple. And if I wanted to start the palette afresh, I can delete that, and here we are. So I could add that. Once added, in fact, let's say we added that twice because we like that color, we can then go ahead and change the thickness here. So we can select fat or thin for our line. And we might want to change the default color to blue. And if we like blue, we might add that to our selection of pens here. I'm going to delete all of this hard work. And add a random line. And I'm going to change the default settings for this line. So here we have thickness. I'm going to change it to 12. Press enter. Notice our default here is now 12. So because we last chose 12, it expects us to want that next. So when I next add a line, it'll be 12. And equally, if we change the border, the outline color to red, when we next draw a line, its default setting will be red. R for red.